Alright. The old man told me I would find what I need in the woods. Let's hope he's not fucking with me. What am I supposed to find in here? Fuck, I think I'm lost. Oh shit. Hey, I think I see a guy over there. Food, frozen. Hey, you good, dude? Who are you? Wait a minute. Does that fucking dude think I'm a refrigerator? Hey, whoa. Listen, man. Listen. I'm not a refrigerator. What's your name, man? My name's Reese, man. If you're not the fridge, where is it? I don't know where it is. Okay, well, Reese, there's no living refrigerator out here. I don't know what to tell you, dude. You're schizophrenic or fucking something. Shouldn't this be at night? Why are you recording this during the day? I'm bitch made, and the forest scares me at night. I also have a ferocious dog hunting me while I film this. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Reese, there's no fucking fridge. You're one of them. You're one of the fucking cultists, man. I'll fucking kill you. I'll fucking kill you. I'm not getting no fucking fridge, man. Oh, whoa. Now let's calm down here. I'm not no fucking cultist, dude. What? Ah! Sure. Oh, fuck. I just killed the protagonist of the hit game The Fridge by OSSnowie. They're sad too. I'm hoping that guy wasn't the key to unlocking who fucking the general was. Something I learned off screen. Fuck. What did he mean by a giant fridge though? What is that?